All right, here we go. Another video, another task complete. So I had to modify the troop seats in order for them to fit here because of that right there. So on the inside of the wall, I'm 5 1/8 of an inch back. So out over here, that leaves 5 3/8. So I took 5 3/8 off of the troop seat on this side, bolted it all down. Everything came out great. I have a little bit of a gap here, maybe almost 1/8 of an inch or so. That's a little bit closer, but I can undo that, and I can probably move that back just a hair. But I just don't want them touching, because even though these vehicles are well known for being extremely stiff, you want a little bit of a gap there. So I think about 1/8 of an inch would be good. Now this side here, even when I first put these on, before I did the cab, they bolt to the back of the B pillar. This one over here fit a little, just a hair off from the beginning. And when I went to go and modify this one, I did it second, and yeah, it down here, over here, it was the same, that 5 3/8, but up here I had to do some extra monkeying around and all that, but I got it nice and neat. And on both of these I have roughly 1/8 of an inch. I mean, it doesn't have to be exactly 1/8 of an inch. So anyways, got the troop seats done. And as you can see, I don't have the seat part, and that's because I don't want it. If anybody needs the bottoms, maybe theirs are bad, or they gotten messed up or whatever, mine are going to be for sale. I don't need them. I won't ever need them. Oh, got a little rubber guy here. Took all those off. Didn't need any of these guys. But yeah, so I'll have those for sale. Whatever's reasonable. I'm an easygoing guy. Give back to the community. Community's been really good to me. And I did stainless steel bolts all the way. Although on this piece here, though, those are grade 8, because that's what they came with. So yeah. Oh, you know what? And the one thing I always forget, and anybody's even going to make it this far in the video, please subscribe. That is something I really need to get into saying in the beginning. Please subscribe. Whether you like the video, I don't know if that helps me any or not. The subscribing to my channel does, definitely. My goal is to get to 1,000, and I have a ways to go, but that's all right. I've only been doing this for about 4 months. So anyways, yeah, this part of it's down. Everything's nice and good along here, as you can see. Now, these things are never perfectly straight along there, and that's just how these things are built from the factory. They're not precision. They don't really need to be, although it would be nice if they were straighter, because, a little bit of my OCD. But anyways, the troop seats actually fit better now with my cab. Like how the up armored vehicles are, where it's straight up and down and you don't have that curve in. Because when I test fit these, when I first got them, before I did any of the cab stuff, it was a little funky, because you have this curve in here, and then you had the troop seats that came straight up. and so it was just a little bit odd looking. But now, I mean, it's a much better natural look because everything's all nice and straight. I like it. So, and sure, you know, it might look a little funky right now, but you know what? Once this thing's all done, and all the doors are done, and all my fill-in pieces here, and the welding, and all that other stuff I would talk about in the other video. You know, and actually, probably my next thing is I'm going to be doing the piece for back here, so this all matches. Once it's all done, it's going to look good, and I'm going to be really happy with it. And things are going along quite well so far. All right, catch you guys next time.